My name is Joshua Carl C. Manigos.
And I'm Nulichi Vian Mejeo, and this is Channel 13 News Update. And here are the news for today.
VP Binay assures that Philippines will rise again.
Miley Cyrus and Liam Hemsworth, are they back together?
High school student, a victim in hit and run.
VP Binay assures that Philippines will rise again. Camel May Kapaw, live from Malacanang Palace.
Hi, good day everyone. We are here at Malacanang Palace to interview Vice President Jejomar Binay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
If you were to be a president, what are your plans in boosting the country's economy?
Kung ano ang nagawa ko sa Makati, yan din ang gagawin ko sa Pilipinas.
Mr. Binay, may meeting po kayo, sir.
Mauna na ako.
Thank you, Mr. Binay. Back to you.
Unfortunately, VP Binay is so busy, and that's the reason why he kept us.
Let's proceed to Maro House, who is at Cebu right now. A live report from Francis Saavedra in Cebu.
Here's Marojas coming out the van.
Sir!
How will you continue the daang matuwid?
I will continue what Noynoy did. And I will do my best to encourage the people to vote for me. Thank
Do you
you.
think people in Cebu will vote for you?
I'm in a hurry.
This is Francis Saavedra, live report here in Cebu. Back to you, guys.
Seems like all presidential candidates are busy right now.
Indeed, they are.
And for our national news, after a successful concert in the Philippines, Madonna faces a massive controversy. Let's find out more from our reporter, Sherlyn April Key.
American singer Madonna may face a ban in the Philippines for disrespecting the flag in her concert this week in the capital, Manila. The 57-year-old entertainer is on a world tour to promote her Rebel Heart album. They may face deportation and might not be able to return the country. Back to you, Rian.
In Mindanao, a high school student became a victim of hit and run. To know more about the news, here's Jessamay Basmayor.
On this spot, Xavier Smith was found dead from Cebu Secretariat College after he was hit by a car that was driven by a drunk driver.
We'll be back with more news as Channel 13 News Update returns.
Mundo, no! Everybody give me 5 push-ups. Begin!
1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chicos, no! Wanna stay fresh? Use Savannah perfume. Be like a superior.
Wild animals roamed the streets of Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, on Sunday after raging floodwaters damaged the city and the zoo and set away wild animals free. 12 people died in the flooding, and there were bears, wolves, big cats, and even a hippopotamus wandering around the streets of the city. 600 residents of the zoo, including fishes and birds, about half were missing on Sunday. Some have been recaptured and the others have been killed. The residents are told to stay at home because some animals are still roaming around freely. The lions, tigers, bears, and wolves also escaped, so the people there must stay inside their houses.
Everest shifted 3 centimeters after Nepal quake. Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, moved 3 centimeters southwest by the magnitude 7.8 earthquake that devastated Nepal in April, Chinese authorities say. But the quake did not affect the height of 8,848-meter mountain, according to the report by China's National Administration of Surveying, Mapping, and Geoinformation. The Chinese state media had set a satellite monitoring system on the peak in 2005 to observe the movement of the mountain. In the decade since, Everest had been moving northeast at a speed of 4 centimeters a year and had grown by 0.3 centimeters annually. The April earthquake reversed the direction of the mountain, shifting it to roughly where it would have been 9 months earlier. Good morning, Antea. How are you doing over there?
Good morning to you, Josh. I'm doing fine, except for the fact that a goat and its owner in India were taken into custody after damaging a judge's garden.
What were the people's reaction over there?
Of course, they were shocked. Thank you, Antea. Have a good day. And let's proceed to the sports news. UAAP Season 76 champion Cebu Sacred Heart Circus bags their 7th trophy for the 7th time for the past 7 years. And to know more about that, here is Mark Renaval reporting.
We are live here reporting in Chicago Bulls Arena, witnessing the practice game of the Blazing Hot Circus with the UAAP Season 82 winners. Hey, what can you say about your practice game?
Yeah, today is a hot weather, and all I can say is that we have a good plan to defeat the LaSalle.
Thank you, sir. Back to you, Josh. Congratulations, Circus, for the 7th time.
And for the weather forecast, will we experience a good weather this weekend? To find out more, let us ask Nisha Chamdao for the weather update.
Thanks, Ian. We can expect generally good weather across the country tomorrow, except for some areas in Luzon. Cloudy skies with light to moderate rains and isolated thunderstorms will be experienced over Bicol region and the provinces of Quezon, Masbate, Marinduque, Romblon, Mindoro, and Samar. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains is expected over Metro Manila and the rest of the Luzon. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms will prevail over the rest of the country. And that's all for weather news.
Everyone is wondering what's going on with Miley Cyrus and her former fiancé Liam Hemsworth. They were spotted together leaving a Nice Guy Club last Saturday night. Sources also tell that Miley never really got over Liam when she was with her ex-boyfriend Patrick Schwarzenegger, because it was just a friendly and flirty relationship. Miley also posted a photo in Instagram wearing her 3.5-carat ring that Liam gave to her 2 years ago when they got engaged. So what could all this mean? Are they back together?
Hi guys, Kylie here. And for today's top 3 trending videos, we will start with number 3, Skyscraper Part 2. Number 2, Murderous Manatee. Still Spring. Number 3, Slingshot Scare. Like OMG. And that's it for today's top 3 trending videos. Bye. Madonna and that high school student Can't believe they disrespect their flag this single month.
That is such the most unfortunate thing that has happened this month. And about Madonna, I can't believe it. I'm such a huge fan of hers, and that is so heartbreaking.
But we can't get over with the video presented by Kylie.
Really? Yes, those two girls about the slingshot?
Yeah.
That was the funniest video I've ever seen. But you know what, Josh? Before we go overboard with this, let us indeed end our show.
My name is Joseph Carlos Simonigas.
And I'm Luigi Bien Mejio, and this has been
Channel 13
News Update.